In recent years, TotalEnergies have been paying serious dividends. Around 2024, investors were getting over 2 cedis per share. Then 2025 came, it increased again to more than 3 cedis. It shocked many investors for jumping to over 3 cedis per share. They have dividend yield of 9.33%, meaning for every 100 cedis you invest, you earn about 9 cedis 33 pesos every year in dividend. They also have a dividend growth of 149.86%, which means the dividend increased about 150% compared to the previous year. Their payout ratio is 120.06%. That means TotalEnergies paid out more money in dividend than it actually earned. For example, if the company made a profit of 100 million Ghana cedis, it paid 120 million Ghana cedis as dividend. That is not a small money. Let me give you a breakdown of their dividend history. In 2021, TotalEnergies paid a total dividend of 0.745 Ghana cedis. In 2022, it increased to 1.044 Ghana cedis. Then in 2023, they paid out a total dividend of 0.724 Ghana cedis. In 2024, it again increased marginally to 2 cedis 56 pesos per share. In 2025, it again increased to 3 cedis 22 pesos per share. TotalEnergies are yet to announce their dividends for the year 2026 period. Let's make it real. Let's say you own just 1,000 shares in TotalEnergies in 2025. That's over 3,000 cedis paid to you as dividends. No stress, no boss, no extra work. But this is where smart investors separate themselves from beginners. TotalEnergies sometimes pays out more than it earns. That means the dividend looks attractive, but it may not always be sustainable. So this is not a blind investment. This is a strategic one. You enjoy the income, but you keep your eyes open.